So in this section we are going to study the static and dynamic memory management. So the static memory allocation is the allocation of memory at compile time. Means the static memory allocation is the allocation of memory at compile time, that is the before the associated program is executed. The dynamic memory allocation is allocation where memory is allocated as required at runtime. Means in static memory we are allocating the memory before program execution, but in dynamic memory allocation we are allocating it whenever there is a necessity. In the dynamic memory management memory allocation, we are using the malloc function for allocating purpose, and in static memory allocated at compile time is in the form of stack and data segments. We can allocate the memory at runtime and obtain the pointer to the allocated memory, which is done by the malloc function. Now talking about dynamic memory, we can use the memory whenever it is required, and because of that we can deallocate the memory in dynamic memory, which is also called as the deallocation, that is the dynamic memory deallocation. So when we are trying to deallocate the memory, then we should use only the free function. By using the free function we can directly deallocate the memory, that is the dynamic memory deallocation. So what is the difference in between the static and dynamic memory management? So as I said that the static memory allocation or memory management is nothing but allocation of memory before program execution, that is nothing but at the compile time, and the dynamic memory allocation is allocated as required at the runtime. So the difference is in static memory management the variables are getting allocated permanently, but as in dynamic memory we are allocating the memory as per requirement, and because of that the variables get allocated only if your program unit gets active. The static memory allocation is done before program execution, as I said, and dynamic memory allocation is done during the program execution, that is at the runtime. In static memory management we are using stack for managing the static allocation of memory, but in dynamic memory management it uses heap for managing the dynamic allocation of memory. In static memory allocation there is no concept of memory reusability, but in dynamic memory allocation we can reuse the memory as well as we can free the memory whenever required, and when we want to free this particular memory or deallocate the memory we are using the free function. So that is all about the static and dynamic memory management. So in this unit we have seen what is data item, what do you mean by data structure, which are the types of data structure, primitive, non-primitive, operations of them, array, structure, pointer, and the difference between static and dynamic memory management. From the next section we will be starting with our unit 2, which is about stack, queue, types of queue, and the applications of stack. Thank you.